can hear water, but I have no idea how far back these waterfalls might be. But apparently there's some waterfalls. There's not much of a trail. Doesn't look like this trail is used much, but let's see what's back here. That's really interesting. Little tiny blackberries on what looks like some type of moss. So when I was in Tuktoyaktuk, the woman whose house I had dinner at said they collected blackberries. They weren't like blackberries that we think of blackberries. I'm wondering if those are they. Getting there. I don't think you can see them without getting your feet wet. So I'm gonna get my feet wet.